Yo, what it is? What's up, beautiful poetry people? It's your main man, Zohab Zee Khan. I haven't made a video in a while. You might be like, yo, Zohab, why haven't you made a video in a while? Let me tell you why I haven't made a video in a little while. For the last 2 months or so, I have been doing a life coaching course. A life coaching course is something that I've wanted to do for a very, very long time. I've wanted to get certified for as long as I can remember. And it's just something that I just didn't have the time to do. I was either traveling or performing or workshopping or on a plane somewhere. But with the pandemic that's going on around the world and everyone grounded, it was just the perfect time to do it. I had a little bit more time on my hands to throw into projects like this. So I'm a passionate person. So when I want to do something, I do it absolutely right. And I put all of my energy into it. So for the last couple of months, I have just been consuming nothing but life coaching material and really throwing myself into this course. That's where I've been. My apologies for the people who have been waiting for a video like, yo, Zohab, where's your video? You said one video every week. Where is it? I apologize. But I just got certified as of 2 days ago. So I'm feeling really cool about that, and I'll share more about that aspect of my life shortly in a video coming up. But for now, I just wanted to do an update, let you know where I've been. Also to say, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Pwop. I know that doesn't sound like a lot with the world of millions of subscribers and whatnot, but for me, that's such a big deal. I started this YouTube channel just a little while ago, and to get to 1,000 subscribers is incredible. So I genuinely appreciate every single one of you subscribers. Like, dhanyabad, shukriya. You are absolute legends. Alright, so today's video, it's a quick, easy video just to get back into the groove of things, so you can see this face again and I get to interact with you all. I just finished up a poetry performance of the Cool Cats over in Singapore with the Wild Poets Den. It's just an open mic that just launched, actually. You should definitely go check them out on Facebook and on Instagram. They're going to be doing some really cool stuff up in Singapore, and we did it digitally like this through my little laptop via Zoom and Facebook Live. And it reminded me of a few things. First and foremost, it reminded me how much I enjoy performing. It's something that really lightens up my soul. Also, it reminded me of how important and how powerful the written word is. I was raised with the adage, the pen is mightier than the sword. And most definitely, I hold that to be true. And especially in a time like this, there's so many people confused right now, not really sure what to do with themselves. There's a lot of hardship, whether that be financial hardship, you just lost your job, mental hardship of not being able to see your friends, not having that routine, being uprooted. There's so much turmoil going on in the world. And for me, writing is what makes that okay. Writing's like therapy. Writing's what soothes your soul. Writing is what makes life worth living, at least for me. It's what gets me out of bed, and it's what, lets me sleep at night. So today's video is just a reminder to myself, first and foremost, but also a reminder to the wonderful humans that watch these videos. It's to write more. Write. Especially in this time. And one thing that I can tell you is one of my favorite exercises that I've done. I've also made a video about the brain dump, of just having a stream of consciousness, just a free writing session, hanging out with yourself with a piece of paper and saying, yo, this is what's going on in my life right now, and especially in a time like this. And then follow up that with a quick 5-line poem based upon what you've written. So go with a free write and then try to edit it into a nice 5-line poem. That's my writing prompt for today. Hopefully you can run with it and make it something special. But wherever you happen to be, if you're going through a hard time right now, if the global pandemic, which is coronavirus, or political upheaval, or racial tensions, or all the numerous things that are going on in the world right now, if they're having an effect on you in a negative way or just in a way, my best suggestion to you is to write. Anyways, that's me done. Quick video today, like I said. Normal videos will be back out every week as of next week. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all of my Patreon subscribers. Thank you to everybody that hits that like, comment, subscribe thingo. I really genuinely appreciate it. I got nothing but love for you, beautiful human beings. I'm out of here. Thank you. Pwah, pwah, pwah.